Hello and welcome to TelecomTV. I'm Martyn Warwick and I'm talking with Clayton Nash, who is Senior Product Development Lead at Vodafone UK. Clayton, welcome. Thanks for talking to us. Let's begin with a not a particularly tricky question, but something just to put you on your mettle a bit perhaps. What are the main challenges facing Vodafone right now?
Well, Vodafone's a large business operating across multiple continents. We have hundreds of millions of customers literally using our mobile phone services and our fixed enterprise services. And our main challenge today is how do we delight and keep those customers? They're becoming more demanding, they're expecting new services all the time. How do we innovate at the same pace that they expect us to?
And that, of course, is the more than $64,000 question, isn't it? So let's move on to that. We're going to be talking about your relationship and collaborationship with Hewlett-Packard Enterprise. So what was it about Hewlett-Packard Enterprise that first caught your attention?
Well, we have a long history of working with Hewlett-Packard Enterprise. They help us with a number of our IT platforms and have done for some time. I'm particularly interested in some of their NFV solutions. Vodafone has a number of networks across many countries, and some of those networks are older and need upgrading. And we no longer have the luxury of buying those and expecting them to work for decades. So the networks need to evolve rapidly, we need to be able to upgrade them quickly, and NFV has the real promise to allow us to do that simply and cheaply.
Now then, a lot is spoken about in the industry in general about the notion of innovation and continual innovation. What does innovation mean to you at Vodafone, and do you regard HPE as being innovative as well?
Well, Hewlett-Packard Enterprises certainly are innovative in helping us in the back end of what we try to do. They're not someone you'd know that we work with, but in order to make sure the platforms work, in order to make sure the services are available, they're definitely someone I would regard as innovative. Innovation for us is fundamentally about delighting customers, and that means change. Customers are changing rapidly, they're changing the devices they use to access things, and if we're unable to keep pace with that, then we won't be seen as innovative, and others will take those customers from us.
So what benefits, Clayton, does HPE bring to a company like Vodafone?
Fundamentally, it's about scale and reactivity. Vodafone operates across multiple continents and many countries. We need a large partner, someone like HPE who can deliver to us not just here in the UK, but across all of those territories. It doesn't help for us to solve a problem in one place and not be able to apply it elsewhere. At the same time, it's about reactivity. We need a large partner who can react to our changing needs. As we try to react to the needs of customers, we need someone who can scale up and scale down and bring those solutions to bear rapidly so we can delight our customers.
Thank you. A last question to you, back to NFV again if I could. Basically we hear about, you've been talking about delighting your customers, pleasing your customers, being reactive to your customers' needs, and the customers are driving more and more and saying we want this, we want it now and so on. How does NFV help in that regard? Are you able to tweak quickly services to provide new ones to help in that delight process, as it were?
Absolutely, I think you've hit the nail on the head. In the past we were able to buy a platform, plug it in and then essentially print money off that for 15 or 20 years. That's no longer the case. With NFV, those functions that we used to buy in hardware are virtualized, they're turned into software. We can ship them around the world rapidly at the speed of light, and we can change things very quickly. It still means that we get the stability of the old platforms, but we're able to implement solutions much more rapidly and effectively drive that innovation and deliver it to the customer much more quickly.
Okay, Clayton Nash, thank you very much.
It's a pleasure, thank you.